Today Overbook is 7 new countdown second edition, and today our exercise is exercise 2C, and question number is 5. We have done with question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now we have to do our question number 5, which is find the values of. We have to solve these. It is just like that. We have to take the LCM of these numbers and then solve them. So let's start. Exercise is 2C. Question number is 5. Find the value of. It's part number 1, which is -6 by 7 into -2 by 7. As in our last videos, we can make both denominators same, but here the both denominators are also same, so we can take them as common, and -6 plus minus is changed into plus, and 2 plus minus is minus. So we can subtract 6 from 2. The answer is 4 by 7. The sign of big value is come with 4. So 2 have a positive sign and 6 have a negative sign. So a negative sign come with 4. Now do its part number 2, which is 7 by 24 minus 11 by 36. As you can see that both the denominators are different. The denominators are different. So we have to first change the denominators and make them same. The first method of solving this question is 7 by 24 minus 11 by 36. This method is long, but some students find this method easy and some students find the other method as easy. So first method is the butterfly method, and I can tell you that what is the butterfly method. The butterfly method is 7 by 24 minus 11 by 36. The butterfly method is that we have to make the butterfly. How we can make the butterfly? 7 is multiplied with 36 and 24 is multiplied with 11. So if 7 is multiplied with 36, the answer is 252 minus, and if 24 is multiplied with 11, the answer is 264. These numbers are multiplied, and then next is this. We have to multiply 24 with 36. If we can multiply 24 with 36, the answer is 864. The answer is 864. So this is called a butterfly method, that we can solve these questions with butterfly. Now we have to subtract 252 with 264. The answer is 12 with minus, because big value have a negative sign and small value have a positive sign, divided by 864. And now we can simply divide 864 with 12. Okay, so if we can divide 12 with 864, the answer is 12 7s are 84, and if we can subtract both of these, the answer is 20 and 4. 12 2s are 24. 4. So if we can subtract these, the answer is 0. So this is solved, means 12 ones are 12 and 12 72s are 864. This is your answer. This is the first method of solving this question. The second method of solving this question is that 7 by 24 minus 11 by 36. We have to take the LCM of these numbers. 24, 36. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Means both these numbers are divided with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Now 3 1 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So the answer is 2 2 3 2 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now move towards next. If we can multiply all these numbers, okay, so the answer is 72. If we can multiply all these numbers. Now 7 and minus 11 by 72. The both denominators are same. Oh sorry, I have conducted a mistake. That 7 by 24 minus 11 by 36. Here lies the 72. 72 divides with this and also with this. Okay. Now 24 and 72 is cut. 24 twos are 72 and 24 threes are 72 and 36 2s are 72. Now 3 is multiplied with 7, 7 3s are 21, 11 2s are 22. The answer is 1 by 72 with minus. These are two methods to solve this question, and this is your choice that which method you have to adopt to solve this question. Tell me that which method you like the most, so I will keep my videos in this method. I can do next question in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and keep practicing math.